You've always maintained this very dignified sort of stance, and you've always preferred to talk about your work.
I believe that, and I mean, I'm here for that. So I always feel that, rather than replying or saying anything, just let your work speak. Nobody's ever said that. I think it'd be very strange. I would find it very strange if somebody told me. I don't think I would be able to relate to that person at all.
I'm sure it must be very heartening because मुझे लगता है कि I think it's one of your best performances.
I was not expecting that review from everyone that it's your best performance and one of your best performances. Hi, this is Kiara Advani and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
आज हमारे साथ में है कियारा अडवाणी। कमाल की बैक टू बैक फिल्म्स इनकी रही हैं रिसेंट टाइम्स में। भूल भुलैया 2 एंड जुग जुग जियो, दोनों में परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था। इनके काम को बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया गया। मैं इनको इनकी पहली फिल्म से जानता हूँ और मैं बहुत से एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ में मेरे इंट्रैक्शंस रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं कियारा के बारे में एक बात मैं कह सकता हूँ कि दैट शी इज़ वन एक्टर जिन्होंने अपने काम को बोलने दिया है। शी हैज़ नेवर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन एनी थिंग विच इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद द शो बिजनेस. And that is, I think, hugely commendable. Priya, having you back once again, Kiara.
Thank you.
And मैं अभी आ रहा था तो मैं सोच रहा था इसके बारे में. It's really commendable. You've always maintained this very dignified sort of stance, and you've always preferred to talk about your work and let your work do the talking, and which is really commendable.
Thank you. No, I believe that, and I mean, I'm here for that. So I always feel that, rather than replying or saying anything, just let your work speak. From my early days to now, and it's so nice to hear that you've observed that about the way things have gone for me. So thank you.
नहीं, I think I totally mean it. I still remember क्या होता है कि आप रिसर्च का मुझे लगता है कि एक पार्ट ये भी होता है that you just remember all the times. And मुझे याद है पहली बार जब आप आए थे हम लोग के ऑफिस में फगली के टाइम पे, and the way you conducted yourself, that is how you've conducted yourself. And the interesting part is that you've grown from strength to strength, which is definitely commendable. तो कभी आपको ये एडवाइस नहीं दिया था कि कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी कुछ करो, कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल बोलो, कुछ न्यूज़ आनी चाहिए जिससे कि कुछ थोड़ा सा? और मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में आई थिंक ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. अल्टीमेटली आपका काम बोलेगा.
But I don't think, I think it's person to person. I don't know, but I feel like I only want my work to be spoken of. There's nothing else about me or my life that I would like to be made, public, other than the work I do, the films I make, the characters I play, or basically things that are pertaining and containing to this field. I don't know, nobody's ever said that. I think it'd be very strange. I would find it very strange if somebody told me. I don't think I would be able to relate to that person at all. And because you mentioned this from the first film to now, I think it also a large part of it goes to just the people I'm surrounded by in my workspace, in terms of my immediate team, my management, the people I work with. I think they've been with me from the very start, and that's a quality of mine. I think the ethics are in place when it comes to stuff like this. So be it me or be it them, I think there's a similarity in the way we think.
Right.
And so that's why it's always been like, let our work speak. So even if there, sometimes you have things written about you before film comes out, and people speculating about, the part in the film or this and that. Right? So we've always maintained the silence of, jab film release hogi, then let people see and then comment on the work. And that's how I'll always be, for sure.
Right. And now for Jug Jug Jiyo, for example, the sort of response that is coming your way, I'm sure it must be very heartening because मुझे लगता है कि I think it's one of your best performances.
It is very, very heartening, and I was not expecting that review from everyone that it's your best performance and one of your best performances. But it feels so good, yeah. It feels so good that you're able to break away from the last best performance and then have another character being loved and appreciated, and your performance being loved and appreciated. I mean, at the end of the day, when the film releases, that's all you're looking for, that love, that validation. So it's very, very heartening. It's like we work hard and then you feel, oh, thank God they've loved it. And Jug Jug is special for many reasons. Be it collaborating with Raj for the second time. I really feel Raj is one director who's tapped into a certain potential of mine. When he gave me Good News, for that matter, it's again a role that so many people I meet come up to me and be like, we loved you in Good News. And it was very different for me. It's in terms of doing something with comedy, but also something far louder than who I am. And then now with Jug Jug again, he's given me something which is far more mature and wiser. So these are parts that I hadn't played on screen, and he somehow saw the potential. So I always feel like Raj, he always has something special when he comes to me.
I personally feel, and this is entirely from the experience that I've had, that मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बार ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिनका हम शायद रियलाइज़ भी नहीं करते हैं, बट आई थिंक उनका कहीं ना कहीं एक इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है. ये जो आपका किरदार है उसमें एक इट्स अ प्रोग्रेसिव कैरेक्टर. शी इज़ नॉट प्लेइंग द सेकंड फिडल टू द हस्बैंड. शी इज़ विलिंग टू बी सपोर्टिव एंड शी इज़ contributing in her own way. She's not being arrogant, but at the same time she wants her own voice and her own profession and the fact that her own individuality and she fights for it. जो second half का मैं जिक्र कर रहा था आपसे कि जिस तरीके की जो confrontation scene आपका है वरुण के साथ, I think कमाल का है, and I think it is written beautifully. It's not merely drama, but also what you're trying to say is something which is important. Now बहुत बार क्या होता है कि I think हर चीज़ में एक community है. The way you're looking in the film, for example, in terms of your style quotient, there is a community which is going to talk about that. There's also a community that is going to talk about the progressive element of your character.
Yeah.
How important are these various communities to you, and do you think from that perspective as an artist, the sort of impact that everything that you're doing or saying is having somehow?
Absolutely, and with Jug Jug more so, because it was a role which was very forward. It was also something I resonate with very much. I feel this is a character that is very personal to me. It's a mindset that I relate to. It's almost like it's me in that role. And when we were reading, when we were putting down, certain pointers that we wanted to make, like when you mentioned the confrontation scene, it is a scene that we worked on extensively. We did, there were a lot of things that we discussed, added, and then Raj put it into the dialogue. But there were a lot of days we spent just saying, what is the point they're both trying to make? It's not that she's not supportive. It's not that she doesn't want to balance her personal life and her professional life. It's not that she wants to put the pressure on him either. As a wife, she wants to just be equally supporting the family that they have. And I felt that's very progressive. I felt it's very today. I know that people from my generation especially think like that. And even be it the relationship between the mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, I think it's so refreshing to see that in Hindi cinema.
Absolutely.
To see two women stand by each other and be there for each other at a time like this. So I think all these points that were being put across were so refreshing for me to read in a commercial Hindi film. In a proper family drama, as we've seen, but you're taking it a step forward and you're making it relevant, you're making it today, and not in a way that you're not showing anyone to be right or wrong. It's just a perspective, and that's what I loved about it. So when I read that fight scene, and when I even saw it, it's not like he's wrong, she's right. It's none of that. It's just two people hearing each other's perspectives. It's that lack of communication, and you just feel like they both have things to say, and they're just two different perspectives. So how do we merge that and come to a common understanding? And for me, that was so refreshing to see in our Hindi movie. Hi, this is Kiara Advani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.